Hello students, today we will revise the first poem, that is Adventures of Isabel, written by Ogden Nash. So, Adventure of Isabel. What is the meaning of adventures? The meaning of adventures is an unusual or an exciting or a daring experience. That's the meaning of Adventures of Isabel. So here, who is going through such an experience? Isabel. Isabel is the main character in the poem, and she is having an unusual or an exciting, a daring experience in the poem. So, The Adventure of Isabel poem written by Ogden Nash, the famous humorous poetry writer. So, who is the writer? The Adventures of Isabel poem? Ogden Nash. So, in this poem, Nash describes the adventures or brave nature of the little girl, Isabel. So, what happens to the particular girl named Isabel? Isabel meets so many people. The first one she meets is a ravenous bear, a witch, a giant, and a doctor who all wanted to harm her. So here we come across, we see that she came across many obstacles in the poem. But with her attitude and her childish, innocent character, she faces all the obstacles and succeeds in the life. That is what see it in the poem. So, in the first stanza of the poem, we see Isabel was terrified by a bear. But she never cried or screamed. Instead of, she ate the bear with a very cool attitude. We see it in the first stanza. What we see here? In the first stanza, whom she is meeting? She is meeting a bear, a huge one. By seeing that, did she run away from that bear? No. She faced it. It was very terrifying scene. But it is written, the writer is written in the first stanza. She never cried or screamed. Instead of that, she ate the bear with a very cool attitude. She ate the bear up. That is the line we see in the poem. Secondly, in the dark she saw the face of the witch with the gummy teeth. And this time also, she never got terrified. Instead of that, she turned the witch into milk and drank it. And she proceeded the journey. Thirdly, she is meeting the giant, a very huge one. It's also an extraordinary one. Why it is extraordinary? It is written in the poem. Thirdly, she met a giant with one eye on his face. With one eye on his face. Looks so funny, isn't it? So, instead of being terrified or with a fear, she did not, instead of being cool attitude, she was very cool, she was very quiet and calm, and she cut the head of the giant. And finally, she meets a doctor who failed so many times with his treatment. And Isabel handled the doctor with a cool attitude. That is the final stanza we see. Okay, so she is meeting so many people, but she handled everybody with her cool attitude. And dear children, there are some difficult words in the poem that are enormous. Enormous means big or huge, we can say. The next word is ravenous. Ravenous means very hungry. Next is cavernous. Cavernous is a cave-like space. Scream. Scream means shout. Scary. Scary means move quickly. Quietly. Quietly means silently. And which means a magical woman here. Okay. And giant. Giant also is a huge man. Okay. Hideous means very ugly. These are the difficult words, you have to learn it. And also there are some question answers and exercises which is given in the textbook. You will be going through this and learning it and prepare for the exam. Okay, learning the word meaning, question answers and the exercises. Okay students, so please prepare for the periodical text thoroughly and do the exam well. Thank you students for listening.